Kriti Sayan. Today I am taking from similarity lesson basic proportionality theorem. For this theorem we need the previous knowledge about the triangles as area of a triangle. As you know that for triangles, area of a triangle formula is half into base into height. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, and in this triangle ABC, BC is the base and AN is the height. So for this triangle, area of triangle ABC is ABC equal to half into base into height. Okay. For this triangle, therefore, half into base is BC and height is AN. This much we have learned in the last year, or before that also we know that the area of triangles formula is half into base into height. This is a acute angle triangle. But what about obtuse angle triangle? In obtuse angle triangle, see this second triangle PQR, it is an obtuse angle triangle. In this triangle, base is QR. Now what about the height in obtuse angle triangle? From the vertex Q, this QR base and opposite this base QR vertex is P. So from P point we draw a perpendicular line and we extend the QR. So this PM is the height of this obtuse angle triangle. So for this triangle, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. So half into base. Base is QR and height is PM. Basic proportionality theorem says, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining side in 2 points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. Means, see in this figure, this is a triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, line L is parallel to side BC of triangle ABC. And this line L intersect side AB at point P and side AC at point Q. This is your given. That's why we write given in triangle ABC, line L parallel to side BC and it intersects side AB and side AC at point P and Q respectively. After that, we have to prove that this line divides the line in the same proportion, means AP upon PB. Therefore, our to prove is AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. This is we have to prove. For proving this thing, we need constructions. And therefore, we join PC and BQ. This join PC and BQ and draw perpendicular from point Q to AP, that is QM, and from point P to AQ, that is PM. So we draw QM perpendicular on AP and PM perpendicular on AQ. Consider for the proof of this theorem, we consider the triangle APQ and triangle BPQ. These two triangles, triangle APQ and triangle BPQ. In these two triangles, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ. As we know that base into height, here base is AP and height is QM. And for triangle BPQ, base is PB and height is QM. And reason is triangles with equal heights, as QM and QM is the equal height. So therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ equal to QM gets cancelled and remains only basis, that is AP upon PB, and this is give it to number 1. This is equation 1, and reason is that area is proportional to base. See in these two triangles only base is remain, that is AP and PB. Then we consider triangle APQ and triangle PCQ. In these two triangles ratio also, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PCQ equal to base into height. For this triangle APQ, base is AQ and height is PN, and for triangle PCQ, base is QC and height is PN, and that's why reason is triangles with equal heights. This PN height is common for this triangle APQ and for triangle PCQ, and therefore this PN gets cancelled and we get that area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PCQ equal to AQ upon QC, and reason is that area is proportional to base, and we give this equation number 2. Now as only two triangles are remain now, from equation 1 and 2 you will get that numerator's triangle is APQ, in equation 2 also triangle APQ. But what about in denominator? In equation 1 denominator is triangle BPQ and in equation 2 triangle PCQ. As triangle BPQ and triangle PCQ having the common base PQ. See in this figure, this triangle PBQ, this much portion PBQ triangle and this portion PCQ, these two triangles. If you consider these two triangles, triangles are drawn with equal base, that is PQ. For these two triangles, base is same, equal, that is PQ, and it is drawn under the two parallel lines, that is this line PQ, line L, PQ and BC. These are the two parallel lines and therefore their base is common and as their height is also common. Hence, we write here that as triangle BPQ and PCQ having common base PQ and of equal heights, since these triangles are drawn between the two parallel lines, that is PQ parallel to BC. Therefore, as they have the same height and base, therefore their areas are same. Therefore, area of triangle BPQ equal to area of triangle PCQ, and give it to number 3. So, from equation 1, 2 and 3, we get a conclusion that their left hand side is same, therefore their right hand side is also same. Hence, from equation 1, 2 and 3, AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC, and this what we have to prove. Hence, we prove. So, for this theorem is very important. As per your board exam पर chances है कि इसे आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है, तो बेटर है आप इसे लर्न करने के बजाय इसे समझ कर लिखिए कि कौन से दो ट्रायंगल का एरिया का रेशियो लिया गया है और किस प्रकार से उसे आपको